Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk only about BTC and my plan for this summer. Let's dive in. All right, guys. First of all, I want to share with you this data. So it's Bitcoin price analysis. Absolutely equal till penny percent. We've hit 11.1% pumps for BTC like in 2024. But guys, it's just absolutely random, useless numbers for us if we want to predict the next targets. So these numbers won't give us any information about a trend, about a money inflow, about an outflow, about a macro, nothing. It's just a stats. Just the stats for the history. So take a look. We can say, if you want to find some bullish confirmation on the chart, you will find it. If you need to find some bearish, you will find it. So it's just about your vision and your perspective. That's why the people always fight each other on social. And you don't need to fight. You have to build a plan, your personal plan. What personally you will do with your own money. If BTC go down, what you will do? And what if BTC go up? Your actions, personal actions. So we can say in zone 11, the BTC in June pumped at 85%. So yes, the history should repeat. Or 26%, 27%. Another way, the people who want to see the correction, take a look in zone 13, we saw the correction 25%. Yes, we're going to dump. Last year, we saw the correction 7%. We should dump. So guys, it's just the stats, absolutely random numbers. About ETFs, this is more interesting. Recent inflows, right on the spot. So BTC ETF, BlackRock, especially BlackRock. The last one data is 2 days ago, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days almost in a row, money inflow into BTC ETF, BlackRock. Only the BlackRock accumulate all of it this time. Now they fix some profit, right? Some outflow. It's okay. Outflow also okay. Binance BTC USDT liquidation heat map 24-hour. I wish to see, of course, 103, even 100K round number for BTC correction. This is my wishes, I'm not sure if we will see this one. Now we're just in the middle. So the main liquidation heat map it's 105K and under it's 103. It's on 24-hour. I want to show you the 2 weeks and 1 month. Liquidation heat map. Of course, everything what is over 112, it's just open space, so we can't know where the liquidation. So here, anyway, 112, 121K, it's liquidations. Under, not that much. And let's check the monthly. The monthly, of course, I totally understand. Under is here. Somebody said it with a huge liquidation at 78K. Should we drop to 78K? I don't think so. Yes, more liquidation will be from liquidation short position. I truly believe in BTC new all-time high again, and I already explained to you. My take is still here, 139,500. So this is my take. It's 2.61 level by FIP. What I tracked since zone 21, right? And everything's still relevant. Like you can see, the lines are dynamic and we can go higher. Take profit line on the daily. Now it's 122K 456. Exit line it's almost at 2.61 level by FIP. So nothing changed. Should we drop, guys, this summer or this autumn to test the monthly or to yearly open 93K? I don't know. It's hard to say now. If we will, of course, we can form the double bottom, right? Like this one, even lower to the fulfill 86K. And the size of this double bottom will be exactly the new all-time high. I don't think so. We will see something like this. I wish to see just a sweep of 101K. Close the 50% of this gap on the weekly and the daily, and last impulse to this target. Why it can be the last impulse, guys? Here we trade way over exit line on the weekly test of exit line can be 101k753 with all numbers, guys. It's not random. I wish to close this gap, right? And after that, in the next correction, we will drop to this one. So this one's still relevant. But now I'm more about a continuation for the BTC. So this can be the best case scenario. Next week, Monday, test like this one and go higher. June. So June, I wish to see the bullish one. It's hard to predict the timing, you know, but I wish to see the summer green for BTC. And if we zoom out, here it can be the last impulse. And if it is the last impulse, it can be something like this move. It can 139 or 150 with the weeks. So I count by a line, you know, but it can be the week candle. Something like this one, right shoulder and drop. The most positive case scenarios for BTC, of course, if we go like this one, hit 183, drop, correction, and final stage like new bear market. Honestly, I won't believe in 200k for BTC, but it's possible. I share with you the NVIDIA chart when I compare the BTC and NVIDIA, you know, and yes, if we compare the charts, NVIDIA hit the 4.23. Maybe the BTC will hit also. It can be the top madness. And now, honestly, no euphoria in the market, nothing. So nobody care about it. BTC hit 100k, nobody care. BTC hit 110k, nobody care. And you know why? Because everybody is stuck in altcoins, and me especially also. That's why nobody care about BTC. Because the problem with the alts, the BTC can go, for example, to 140, 180k. BTC dominance can go to 70%, and altcoins crash it down again, more and more and more. And we can't know, maybe the liquidity from the BTC will not inflow back into alts. We can't know because the people waiting this miracle on alts. But guys, you have to build a realistic targets, not just unicorns expectations. We can't repeat the Zone 21 because it was a post-COVID time when they just print the money and everything what you see, just pump it. And people just zoom out, take a look on the left side of the chart and think, yes, this time should be absolutely the same. I want to be rich. I want to be rich. With random meme coins, with random utility meme coins. But it doesn't work like this one, guys. We can't know where the liquidity will inflow or outflow. We can't know. Maybe the big guys now like BlackRock just to fix a profit in the stable coins out in USD and not reinflow into altcoins. It's kind of risky for them. That's why I'm more conservative with the target. So take a look. The take profit I showed you. Trade on money power, guys. Here, money outflow. Kind of bad. So nothing positive, right? But yes, we can move higher, yes, because we can trade a long-term period in with the money outflow. Step by step, they needed time to fix the profit. Now, no A3 on the market. Sell, buy back. Now, no signal to sell or recommendation close position, nothing. A daily, same story here. It's money power, money outflow. Here's a drop to the bottom. Soon we will see the money inflow, I guess. And continuation of the trend. With this sweep, with the test of yearly open, it's hard to say. But anyway, I think we will see the new money inflow and continuation. And here, buy. You remember the cryptic one here said, we are in a bull run. Here, it was the beginning of the March. We just beginning the bull run. And at the beginning of April, they say only the clowns buying the BTC because now we are have to be ready for the next 2 years bear market. So just random predictions. And I already explained it. That guys with millionaires, with 100,000 followers, just spread their own ideas. Respect to their own ideas, but it's just personal thoughts of some guys. It's not a fact. Nobody knows the future. And if somebody in social media has some 100K followers, it doesn't mean this guy know more than you and can analyze the charts more accurate. A lot of traders, real traders, not influencers, traders who analyze the market on a trading view with 100 followers or on a Twitter with 1K followers shared more accurate predictions, more accurate forecasts for BTC than all of this 500,000 followers influencer in socials. It's a fact, guys. It's a fact. Market mood. This is Aphria, definitely on daily. Now here, capitulation was in April, at the beginning of April. Now it's Aphria, trill. So I wish to see, of course, the higher, but definitely this is not a time to hop in all in BTC. All in was here in capitulation zone in zone 22. Now all this same period is Aphria. But sooner or later, guys, all big guys will fix a profit. AZ direction. I wish to see the divergence. Here we start forming divergence. Something like this one. And drop. Maybe till end of summer. Beginning of September. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Maybe, who knows? Maybe 183. But like conclusion, of course, I believe in new all-time high. I don't think so. The 111K is the top of the top for BTC. I don't think so. This is the double top. But of course it's possible. And I wait new signals to sell on the direction on the weekly here. Last time we start forming the, you need to be ready to fix some profit step by step here in November, and fix the profit was in February. So 2 months, right? Three months even for fixation, step by step fix, sell, dump. Now nothing, no recommendation to fix a profit. So like conclusion, guys, I wish to see locally the best case with a week 98, 99K. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 80K this gap, and I believe in new all-time high for BTC this summer or autumn. It's hard to say about the timing. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about a BTC. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.